Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Recently, I saw an interview of a famous personality and she said that we can't have it all. Let's face it that we can't have it all. If we have family support, then maybe to some extent maybe she said that we pretend that we have it all, but it's little tough to have it all for us. So can we have that trophy and that kitchen chef uh, cap, which we are teaching our children also, do this like this, and so that cap also, that hat also, these are the hats actually we uh, want to wear. One hat is of mother, perfect mother, we want to be a perfect mother, then we want to be a perfect employee, or if we have our own business, then we want to manage it perfectly, and we want to be the best wife to our husband. So what is this ladder? Where are these positioned, and what is the sequence of this basically? So what should be the sequence? What is the correct sequence of this? So is there any rule, regulation written anywhere that uh, this should be prioritized, or family should be prioritized first, and your kids should be prioritized first, and career should be prioritized first? And if somebody wants to prioritize her career, then is she bad? If she wants to take the leadership positions in her company, is she bad? Will the society judge her? So all these questions came to my mind, so I just wanted to have a video on this, that uh, what should be the sorting criteria, here. How should we sort all these things? How should we prioritize all these things? Or should we take one thing at a time? Or should we take a break from one thing and then we can focus properly on the other thing? Is it possible that with the family help, with the maids and everything, can we manage everything? How do we do that? Like, what should be the, is it really possible? So I just wanted to discuss this thing with you, that is it really possible that we are managing so many hats, at one time? So how does it feel? Sometimes I talk to one of my friend and she says, yeah, I don't want to do my job, yeah, I can't. Then I'll advise, no, no, I advise her that, you should be financially independent, it's very important and everything. And then she'll be saying, no, 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 I want to spend time with my children, I can't do this job, yeah. Then she will have some obligations, then she will have to continue her job. So many cases like that. And same with, sometimes it happens that, uh, uh, one of my friend was missing from her son's birthday party, and it became a hue and cry. Okay, she's not attending her own son's birthday party, how is it possible? But these things happen if you want to achieve a particular kind of success. And because when men achieve this success, definitely they have the backup, the back of their family, their wives, their mothers, everyone. But what about us? So these things should be discussed more and more. What should be the priority? What should be the kind of support? What should be the kind of support we should get, so that we can also, achieve our success and dreams and everything. The question is that, how many women get that chance? you know so some mothers are not comfortable sending their children to crutch. Some people advise that you send them to crutch. It's not, for some it's not feasible. So they want that kind of support, and they don't want to send. And some mothers are very comfortable, that they feel that in crutch their child is learning a lot, he or she is developing social skills and everything. So to each his own again. So same thing. So I just wanted to talk about this topic, that what should be the sequence. So in my next part of this video, I will definitely talk to you about what is the correct sequence as per society standards. So that we will talk about. And definitely I'll wait for your comments. If you have any feedback, if you have anything to share, please share in the comment section. And if you like my video, please like it, share it, and subscribe my channel. And please don't forget to click the bell icon, because it will give you my regular video updates. Thank you so much. Ciao.